What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how you can pay out from TopStep. So today's tutorial is really simple, but I want you to keep up to the end to not miss out on anything. So what you want to do is go to your TopStep account and then click on your profile in the top right of the screen. So what you're gonna do is click on payout request in the left of the screen. Then you're gonna choose between Wise or ACH wire bank transfer. Wire transfer takes about 1 day of business, while ACH wire bank transfer take about 5 to 7 business days. So we're gonna choose ACH wire bank transfer. After that, you're gonna fill in some credentials like your last and first name, and then your username and your email and your number. After that, you're gonna precise the payout amount and click on I agree on the checkbox, and after that you're gonna click submit, and then you're gonna get an email once the transfer is done. And that's it guys.